In this series of videos, my goal is to go through every keyboard shortcut in Word 2016. Today, we look at Ctrl-B. Ctrl-B makes the selected text bold. If you don't have any text selected, it makes the next text you type at that cursor position bold. Pressing Ctrl-B again removes the bold font. It works on most text, normal text, text in tables, text in headings, and text in headers. It also works on text in comments. It doesn't work on graphics, of course. Ctrl-B is a common keystroke convention. If you're in another editor, you can always try it, and in programs like sticky notes or online web editors, it often works well, but there's no guarantee. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to learn about other keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word, please subscribe to my channel.